Booyah! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. My name is Shamari, and welcome. Bang! All right, guys. So I'm a little toasty today, a little hungover, but we're going to do this. Money never sleeps, and Shamari never dies. So we're going to get this done, all right? Now, so today's kind of a interesting show. We're going to talk all about what's coming down the pipe. It's kind of a Coinbase show. Coinbase launches a PAC. If people don't know what a PAC is, that's a political action committee. That means they're going to go talk directly to the politicians. In other words, lobbyists. So shit is real, boys. Shit is getting super real. When an industry has lobbyists, that means bang. Politicians are going to make the right choices. You know what I'm talking about? All right. Also, Coinbase rocks a hedge fund. Bang. We're going to talk about that. And custodianship. What's our favorite word around here? Custodianship. How are we going to get rich? Custodianship. Well, there's custodianship coming. Bang. In South Korea, big whales are coming. We already read that. Remember we read that story the other day? How South Korea unleashed the whales? Well, bang, oh bang. They're not fucking with them. They're going to give them custodianship and all the goods they want. So we're going to talk about that too. So let's get into what we usually start out our day with, which is a little bit of the market. Look at the markets. Let's see our top 10 of the day. Bang. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Stellar, Litecoin, Cardano, Tether. Oh, and IOTA. Oh, IOTA took over the 10 spot. Oh, anyway, I'm getting all crazy. Anyways, so let's look at the market moves. Oh, for once, Bitcoin goes up and not everything goes up. So Bitcoin's up 3.3%. Everything else down, single digits, low single digits, low single digits, low single digits. Some up, some down, but oh, who's that? Basic attention, bang, 23%. I bet they'll be in our top 10 earners. All right, let's check out our top 10 earners. Bang. Oh, holy, 49.7% today. All right, so our top 10 earners, Holo, Basic Attention, Electronium, Bitcoin Private, MAOC, what is that? Eternity, Bitcoin, GX Chain, Bitcoin Gold, and V Chain, rounding off the top 10 earners. All right. So today it's kind of regulatory. Like I said, it's kind of Coinbase-ish. A lot of good stuff with Coinbase, and that's what we love here in America. I mean, I don't know what you guys do, but for me, I get all my fiat goes through Coinbase, right? So, you know what I mean? That's how I do it. I put my money on Coinbase, and then I buy my Bitcoins and Ethereum, and then I put them out on Binance or whatever and buy my tokens. So let's check out Coinbase. Bang. Now, a political action committee. They're not fucking around. They're going right into the heart of Washington, motherfuckers. Yo, they're not playing games. Man, look at what these guys are doing. Remember the other day? We were like, yo, man. Or they were like, yeah, we're just applying for custodianship. And then they came out and were like, boom, actually, we just bought a bunch of companies and we're doing custodianship now. Now look at these sons of bitches. They're not fucking around. They're not fucking around. They're going hardcore. They're going right into the heart of Washington. So let's check it out. Let's check it out. Now, what does this say? Coinbase has become the first crypto industry organization in the USA to form a political action committee, a PAC. This was revealed on July 20th in a filing by the United States Federal Election Commission, the FEC. The move is the latest in a series of bold moves by the crypto exchange and wallet provider as it looks to secure its long-term future. Oh, yeah. Just secure yourself, boys. Please, please. And let us get our money. Now, under American federal law, an organization is classified as a PAC if it collects donations worth more than $1,000 from its members and channels them into campaign funds with the intention of influencing an electoral process. Such organizations must register with the FEC under the provisions of the Federal Election Campaign Act of 1974. Political action committees are formed to support election candidates whose policies or ideological views ties with the objectives of the PAC members. In other words, if you're down with crypto, we're going to hook you up with some bread, bro. You know what I mean? If you're a politician and you're down with crypto, Coinbase says, well, we got some bread for you, son. Come through. That's the power. That's the real deal. That's how things work here in America. You got to throw some bread to make some bread. They also exist to provide a platform for dialogue between social, political, or economic interests and political office holders in order to establish points of understanding and cooperation. Blah, 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 whatever. And just listen, politician, vote for what I want you to vote for, right? The biggest motive for Coinbase is, of course, access to the politicians that have substantial influence over financial regulatory policy. So I could just tell you right now, let's see, if you're in the Finance Committee of America, if you're in the Senate or in the House, if you're in anything that handles money or anything that handles securities or regulatory stuff like that, hey, guess what? Coinbase is ready to hook you up with some cash if you're ready to vote right. The American political and financial establishments has historically viewed cryptocurrency with suspicion, and so it could be useful to establish dialogue with politicians and support candidates with a light touch regulatory ideology. Remember we talked about the SEC the other day? The SEC said we're going to do a light touch, right? So if these politicians are down for the light touch, well, guess what? Coinbase is probably going to cut you a check, bro. Now, I know no politician is watching this, but just in the case any of you are, go get some of that Coinbase money and vote crypto. All right. At a time when there is a substantial amount of uncertainty in the crypto market because of regulatory attention, a crypto industry PAC could effectively go over the regulators' heads to engage with the politicians that influence policy. You see what I'm talking about? We already know the SEC is going to give a light touch. But you know these politicians in America here, they always fuck around. They always want to get their hands into some shit. And so what they're saying is that, with the Political Action Committee, they're going to be talking directly with politicians. Give them access to the politicians themselves and calm them the fuck down so that they make sure that, they vote proper, right? Well, try to. And politicians only care about money. So if Coinbase is going to give the money, guess who the politicians are going to vote for? They're going to vote for positive regulatory reforms for us. So some key points of agreement resulting from such dialogue could include regulatory clarity, right? Protection of the crypto industry as a job creator and promotion of blockchain technology solutions to public service challenges. I'm just going to keep reading on. Actually, I didn't highlight this part, but it's all important. So I want you to get all of it. While forming a PAC is an industry first, Coinbase is no stranger to the strategy of political engagement and donations in furtherance of pro-business agenda. Nice. I didn't know that. Co-founder Fred Ersam has a well-documented Republican leaning, donating a total of $12,800 to Republican candidates over the years. Notably, he made multiple donations to former Republican presidential candidate Mitt Romney during 2007 and 2011. Nice. So, that's so sweet. That means Coinbase has a seasoned, thanks. That means Coinbase has a seasoned political guy back there. Oh, guys, we are good to go. Even better. Oh, man, I didn't know that. In April, CCN reported that Coinbase was engaging with the SEC about becoming a regulated brokerage firm and trading platform. The company recently signed up a $20 billion hedge fund for an institutional brokerage service, which counts as a major win. Carrying out brokerage services alongside its crypto exchange services could be seen by SEC as a possible conflict of interest, and this could potentially be yet another area of dialogue to be facilitated by the PAC. You see what I'm saying? So they have a PAC in there. So if anyone gives them some shit about what? The brokerage and the crypto exchange stuff, They're going to be in there talking to the politicians. And, the politicians will, vote with their wallets, vote with their campaign contributors, and bang, Coinbase will be good. So that's good for us. That's good for everything. Coinbase is going to be bringing the crypto world right into the heart of Washington, D.C., right into its guts. And doing that. 1 second. Sean, can you just do that? Thanks, man. All right. Sorry. Well, all right. Now, bang. The hedge fund. We talked about the hedge fund, but now they're going to offer margin financing for institutional investors. Bang. Oh. So let's go. The everyday. Oh, wait. What? Where are we at here? Man, guys, I had a rough weekend. I know. Well, you still drinking, dog? Yeah, well, you have to have a couple shots to flip and get your head right. We rocked it this weekend, boys. And you know where I live. It ain't no joke around these parts. All right. But Shamari never dies. Oh, but he does get damaged. In early July 2018, San Francisco-based startup Coinbase launched its Custodian solution for institutional investors. The leading digital asset exchange has now secured a $20 billion hedge fund to offer investors a greater variety of financial services. Now, the everyday investor's go-to service for buying and selling cryptocurrencies, Coinbase, is finding ground in the institutional investment sector. Hold on, boys. I didn't even do my whale watching yet. So what I do, if you're new here, what I do is I like to look over here because we got a bunch of whales and stuff. So I grab my little binoculars. I take a little peek. And I watch the whales that are coming because because they're coming. And so I watch them. And we also have a tsunami of money that's coming once the SEC drops its rule book. If you're new around here, it's all about the regulation and politicians, people. Once they unleash those favorable thanks, man. Once they unleash those favorable regulations and politician, see, guys, man, it was a rough weekend. Once they release those favorable regulations with a light touch, bang, a tsunami of money is coming from Wall Street. And a tsunami of what? Bang, institutional investment. So, hold on. Sorry, my bad. I didn't even report back. My bad, guys. Hold on. I'm sorry. Let me get my binoculars out. Bang. Oh. Oh, yeah. It's looking good, boys. The tsunami is coming nicely. What else we got over here? We got our South Korean whales coming. Oh, they're coming. And that's what I have to talk to you about. Oh. Guys, I'm a little drunk, so it's a little not drunk. I'm trying to get my brain back. I'm going to talk to you about some South Korean whales. Oh, this. Yeah. Man, I fucked my hand up this weekend, man. Chopping some stuff. I gave myself the business. I'll live. Settle down. I'm good, guys. I'm good. Now, all right, let's get through this because I have to talk about some whales that are coming. Oh, we're going to go whale watching in a minute. Let's read this, and then we'll go whale watching together. Now, the everyday investor service for buying and selling cryptocurrencies, Coinbase, is finding ground in the institutional investment sector, bang, by purchasing a $20 billion hedge fund through its prime broker, Business Insider reports. The name of the specific fund was not disclosed in the report. However, Coinbase confirmed they are also working to get other funds to trade on its platform. Remember we read the other day, Coinbase opened offices in Chicago? Of course. They got salespeople knocking on the door of hedge funds. Hey, guys, we have custodianship. Guys want to try a little crypto? Want to check it out? Nice. Like a drug dealer, like, hey, kids, you want to? No, all right. I'm not going to get it. Anyway, actually, drug dealers don't do that. What am I talking about? I've never had anyone offer me. Anyway, whatever. Coinbase launched its prime brokerage service, Coinbase Prime, in early 2018. Non-existent in the crypto world, prime brokers connect institutional investors such as hedge funds with exchanges and other investment firms to provide a bundle of services, including margin financing. Nice. Some margin financing. So margin, if you guys don't know what that is, so if you're on margin, it's kind of like they lend you money, right? But then you can get margin called. Sorry. If you're a trader, you know what I'm talking about. I'm sure you've got margin called a couple times. I've been margin called a couple times. You know what I mean? Happens to the best of us. According to Business Insider, Coinbase plans to offer margin financing, bang, for institutional investors. Bang, meaning that's for trading. Margin is for trading, right? It's not like buy and hodling, but we do need the institutional guys to buy and hodl. That's the major way we're going to really make our money. But margin trading, giving people margin financing allows you to buy more than the money you have. So, for instance, I told you guys the story about the other day when I made the $17,000 on that day when the market crashed, the housing. Yeah, because I was on margin. Those trades I was in, that was like only $600 trades. It was 3 $200 trades. I was short the Australian dollar against the Japanese yen. I was short the New Zealand dollar against the Japanese yen. And I think I was short the euro against the Japanese yen. And so remember when I told you and I said all I saw was a big red line? Yeah, it was short. I was short. And then all it was just a big red line. I had to scroll down screens to find the end of the line. Bang! And it was 17 grand. So that's margin. Or you know, in the Forex world, you know, it's you know, it's margin. Like you get to hold more than you actually pay for. Okay, so that's what they're going to allow to do, which is going to be amazing for us because these. So now, if you're a $50 billion hedge fund, you're trading. What you're going to trade $1 million? Yeah, but you really hold or you're really controlling. I don't know, $5 million of sorry guys, man, I'm all stuffed up even because of the weekend of assets. And so, yeah, bang. So margin financing. It tells you right here, actually. Man, I didn't even read this article. I just already know this stuff, so I didn't need to read it. But all right, here it is. Margin financing allows investors to borrow securities and funds to trade, increasing potential profits and enabling leverage. That's what we have in the crypto world. In the Forex world, leverage. So, and so I'll tell you. So, how'd you make $17,000 and it was only $600 worth? Dude, back in those days before Obama fucked me up, we used to have 400 to 1 leverage in the Forex market. Dude, you would make a $20 trade and bang, I would make like $500 in like an hour off of $20 because we had 400 to 1 leverage. Obama, well, not Obama, but the politicians, after the housing thing happened, they passed a rule called the Dodd-Frank Act. So they passed this legislation. It's called Dodd-Frank. And Dodd-Frank, so for me as a Forex investor, boom, they dropped that 50 to 1 leverage. They really fucked me. And I'm not laughing about it, but I mean, I'm a good trader, so it doesn't really matter. I still make money, but man, it used to be 400 to 1. Like, dude, you would make a flipping $100 trade, bang, you'd make like 5 G's, man. Now you do a $100 trade, well, you probably make like $500. You see the level? And that's regulation, and that's why. So, Shamori, man, well, now you understand. Now you understand why I'm always talking politics and following these guys, right? Shamori, man, I thought we were here to talk about money. Why are we always talking about these politicians? That's why. Because shit like that, when they make a law, when they pass a law, it affects you. It affects your life, your real life. That Dodd-Frank Act affects my real life. right? From 400 to 1 leverage, 400 to 1 leverage to 50. 1/8. I have 1/8 of the leverage that I used to have thanks to Dodd-Frank. Now I know we have to protect the citizens and all this stuff. And so I get it. But damn, why'd you have to mess around with us, man? We're just Forex traders. We didn't cause that shit. Those are the Wall Street guys that sold those subprime crap. Why'd they deal with us like that? But anyway, and that's why we watch. So now you're asking, right? If you're new around these parts, man, dog, it seems like you're always talking politics. Yeah, that's why. That's what matters. Politics is what matters. The SEC is what matters. The politicians are what matter. That motherfucker the other day we talked about, let's look at his motherfucker. This guy. Where was he? Brad Sherman. See his face right there? Actually, let me just even open up my thing right here and let me show you. Let me show you his face. Oh, wait. Oh, my bad. You can't see his face from here.
Hello, guys. Welcome to Cryptocurrency
Hold
Blockchain.
on. My bad. Man, I'm fired up. I'm fired up right now. Okay, see? The alcohol's kicking in. We're feeling good. But remember that guy? Yeah. You see, we have to watch them. We have to watch them. That's what this show's about. I'm not here to tell you what to buy. I'm not here to blow smoke up your ass, tell you Ripple's $10 next month. It won't be. It won't be. But it will be one day. It will be one day. Oh, once these whales get here. But it ain't going to be next month. So anyways, we're here for reality. And so, all right, guys, let's read on. I'm blabbing now. The vodka's kicking in. Yes, the vodka is kicking in nicely. Now, in an interview with Business Insider, Greenwich Associates consultant Richard Johnson said Coinbase is pursuing a different initiative that makes sense and takes it closer to a more similar to traditional finance, custody, financing, lending, security token, and the institutional portal. They have the resources to fund them and will surely have some successes. Bang! I mean, we know it's coming, but it's just so nice to watch it happen, isn't it, guys? We are watching the infrastructure. We are watching the infrastructure of the industry that's going to allow these whales to come in to be built. While we build our crypto warehouse, let them build the infrastructure. We build our crypto warehouse, they build the infrastructure. And then when the infrastructure is built and those whales begin to arrive, our warehouse will be open for business. Open for business, son. Yo, I'm open for business. Yeah, I'm open for business. Come on in. Bang. We're going to open the doors. You know what I'm talking about? Bang. You know what I mean? Hey. Yeah. Park your private jet right over there. Get your chauffeur to park your limo over there. You big rich motherfuckers. Come on in. I'm open for business. That's how it's going to go around these parts. All right. Now, without prime brokers, investment firms are subject to the same vulnerabilities as exchanges, including hacking, operational faults, and technical errors. But through Coinbase Prime, Coinbase hopes to vertically integrate its prime broker, exchange, and custody services to become an aggregate solution for institutional investors seeking to enter the cryptocurrency economy sector. Bang. In other words, Coinbase is going to have it all. I'm going to have it all, buddy. I'm going to have it all. What do you need? You want brokerage? Gotcha. You need an exchange? You guys want to do some active? So you want a brokerage? Means buy and hodl? More my type shit? Bang. I got something. You can buy your stuff here and hodl. You want an exchange? Oh, you want to trade? Oh, you're a badass. Okay, I see. Bang, bang, bang. You want to trade? We got that too. And then what does it say? So let's look at this again. So you want a broker? Bang. You want to buy and hodl? Got you. Bang. You want to exchange? You want to trade? Coinbase like, got you, son. Or what? And then especially though, what's our favorite word? What's our favorite word? Custodianship. How are we going to get rich? Custodianship. What are these motherfuckers waiting for? Custodianship. We got to get that money. And how are we going to get that money? Custodianship. So motherfuckers, and they're offering custodianship. You see how they're rocking? Full solutions. Whatever you need, bro. Whatever you need, son. Oh, you got 50 billion? What you want to do with that? What you want to what you want to buy and hodl? You want to buy and hodl? That's good. I'm a prime broker. I'll let you buy and hodl. Come grab your crypto, and I'll keep it right here in the custody for you. Bang, with my custody service. It's all good, bro. Oh, you're not trying to hodl? Oh, you're trying to get active? Oh, you want to trade? Oh, that's so cool. Because I got an exchange right here for you. Yo, man. Coinbase, man. Brothers. Man, these guys are bringing it for us. So, man, this is so good. So, but while they build their infrastructure, you see Coinbase, but you see it's happening fast. And that's why I'm telling you, buy all you can now. Buy all you can now. Honestly, I told you guys, I take 30% of my profits a month. I put it in crypto. I might have to just dip into my savings and give myself a loan to get some stuff because it's happening real fast. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. I'm just telling you my own opinion. Now, man, this is so good. I'm so happy. Anyway, Coinbase took a step towards drawing in institutional capital when it launched its digital assets custodian solution. Bang. We all know about that. You all know about that when they launched that custodianship. Bang. Coinbase Custody on July 2nd. July 2nd was the launch date. Was the day. Was really the day you know you're going to get rich. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, yeah, and this last part here. All right. It appears Coinbase is moving forward with its newly acquired alternative trading system, ATS license, broker-dealer license, and registered investment advisor license to list security tokens on its platform in the future. However, it is unknown whether the SEC will intervene before any tokens make their way onto the blockchain, onto the Coinbase markets, security tokens, whatever. So, fuck all that, but bang. So, you saw what it is. Now the billionaires, what do they have? They have a registered prime broker, a registered, if they just want to buy and hodl. If you want to hodl, no problem. Bang. Because Coinbase has custody services for you. Oh, you're $50 billion in Ripple, sir? Yes, we can hold that for you. Or you want to play around. You're an active guy. You want to have a little fun around these parts. I see. Well, we also have an exchange for you. Have at it, buddy. Have at it. Draw your Fibonacci's and have a good time. So bang, guys. That shows us the big money's coming. And let me tell you something. I've been meaning to tell you guys this for a while, but I haven't really said it. Look, guys. I always say to you guys, you're going to be rich, right? And you're like, well, how do you know, Shamari? I know some of you out there are like, how do you know? Well, first of all, I'm an investor. Go to forexfactory.com, forexfactory.com. Type in my name in the top right, SHOMARI, and you'll see my profile, and you'll see my trades, you'll see my shit. Well, the older trades, I don't put them up there anymore, but and you'll see you're actually talking to an investor. My money makes me money. I don't work. You know what I mean? I don't have a 9-to-5 job. I'm not a rat race guy. I'm an investor. And you'll see my investments from back then. And then, well, these are old trades. Yeah, dickhead, that shows you how long I've been trading, hasn't it? It shows you how long I've been making money, make money. So it shows you maybe the noodle's working a little bit, right? Now, boys, let me show you a little something. And I'm going to show you why you're going to be rich, right? Like, I know, man, people say that shit. This isn't shit I'm talking, all right? Now, the whole market, let's look at the whole market. This is the whole market capitalization right here. See that number right there? That's of all the cryptocurrency in the world, $283 billion. So let's round up to 3. Let's just round up to 300 billion. For the sake of this little argument, not an argument, but what I'm going to tell you. Motherfuckers, did you just hear Coinbase rocked a $20 billion hedge fund to rock crypto? $20 billion. out of 300 billion. Now, look, let's be conservative. I'm not even going to tell you the real. Let's just get stupid. Imagine a couple $10 billion hedge funds come in, right? Let's say, I don't know, 100 of them. What? That is $1 trillion. $1 trillion. That is 3 times the market cap right now, motherfuckers. You are going to be rich. You watching me right now are going to fucking be rich. Or at least way better off than you are right now. Your crypto is going to gain for you. This market, what is it? Let's say round up $300 billion. Fucking Facebook is $600 billion by itself. You don't think any of these cryptos down here? Now let's look at the market cap of these cryptos. We got 100 for Bitcoin, 45 for Ethereum, 17 for Ripple, 13 for Bitcoin Cash, 7 billion for EOS, 5 billion for Stellar, 4 billion for Litecoin, 4 billion, IOTA 2-bit. Dudes, those are multi-$100 billion companies. If you own any of that, look, own the top 10 stuff. I'm telling you right now, because that's what these boys are going to be looking at. And guys, your stuff isn't going to just triple or quadruple. It's going to be like 10 times, 100 times. Remember last year? 1,000 times, right? And so that's why when I tell you guys, you're going to be rich, Shmori, man, you're just saying that. I'm not just saying it. I didn't put all this fucking money in for nothing. I mean it. And just look at the numbers. Do math. Do a little math, motherfucker. All right? This is only a $300 billion market. The whole crypto market is only $300 billion. Facebook is one company, $600 billion. We know that blockchain is going to take over the world. That's a fact, right? We keep reading about the regulations and we keep reading about this country adopting, that country adopting. It's a fact. Now, think about how much all this stuff is going to be worth once these whales get here. Once these hedge fund guys get here with their tens of billions, 50s of billions. Holy, forget when Goldman Sachs, and what did we read about the other day? What was that one? Hold on, let's look at it. What was that one? We read about, Cambridge Global Pay. No, not Cambridge. My bad. Hold on. What? Oh, yes. Exactly. BlackRock. They have $2.4 trillion under management. Trillion. One company. You're going to be rich, boys. You're going to be rich. All right. Let's get on the news. I'm talking bullshit. Well, that's not bullshit, but I mean, let's just get on with news, though. But you see what I'm saying, guys? You see it, right? Just do math. This shit is so small. $300 billion, the whole market. Hedge funds, there are $100 billion hedge funds out there by themselves. It's one guy trading for his billionaire buddies. Guys, you're going to be rich. Hodl hard. Now, you know my word. You know my favorite word. Bang. Custodianship. Where are these rich people going to put their money? Rich people ain't coming in here if they're going to put their money on an exchange and get hacked and get their $50 billion stolen. But what will they do? When will they come? When we have what? Bang. Custodianship. Fucking custodianship. And so, here it is, South Korea. Oh, my bad. Hong Kong. Okay. Oh, my bad. I said South Korea. So, bang, in Hong Kong. And you know Hong Kong is part of what? China. China has what? 1.6 billion people, which means what? 1 in 5 people on Earth. 1 in 5 people on Earth are Chinese. Shmori, man, why you always talk about this Chinese shit? Why you always talk about the Indian shit? Well, because motherfuckers, 1 in 5 people on Earth are Chinese, okay? 1 in 5 people on Earth are Indian. right? The other 3 out of the 5 are the rest of us. The whites, the blacks, the Mexican, the Hispanics, whatever. We're the rest of everybody. They run shit in terms of population, right? So that's why we talk about them, because what? If we want money to get in here, well, that's a lot of money, isn't it? Isn't it? Right? 1 in 5 people, that's a lot of bread. Lot of bread. And that's what we need, boys. We need a lot of bread to come into this crypto market to drive our holdings up. So our warehouse is nice and, well, our warehouse is stacked, but so our warehouse is valuable. If you take out the Chinese and the Indians, bang, you just took out 2/5 of the people. Right? Right? All right. So let's talk about the Chinese boys. And, obviously, we're talking about Hong Kong here, but you do know Hong Kong is part of China, right? China owns Hong Kong. I think it was in 1997, England gave back Hong Kong to China. And so now it's a Chinese territory. So let's look at that. A prominent Southeast Asian-based fund management company is considering the launch of a cryptocurrency custodial service. Woo! What's our favorite word? Custodianship. What do these rich people want? Custodianship. As long as they have that, what are they going to do? Bring us their money. Right? Remember, we're the ones with the crypto. They're the ones that want to buy it. Right? But they're not going to do it without custodianship. So we need some custodianship. So these sons of bitches come over here and buy our goods. They buy our warehouse, our crypto warehouse. Oh, and Adabob and all you guys, we're going to talk about the airdrops we did this weekend. Murder. But right, we're building our warehouse. We're building our crypto warehouse so that once they feel safe, once these rich folk feel safe, when they have their custodianship, well, what are they going to do? Well, they're going to come over here and they're going to be like, hey, can I buy some of your stuff? And that's when we're going to open the floodgates. That's when we're going to open our warehouses and say, sure, buddy, come on in. Come on in. What you need? I got some Ethereum. I got some Ripples. I got some Trons. I got whatever you need, son. I got all the top 10. Let's roll. All right. So, a prominent Southeast Asian-based fund management is considering the launch of a cryptocurrency. What? Bang. Custodial service targeting regional. Regional what? And what do we need? We don't need any more moms and pops. We don't need any more motherfuckers just buying 1 Bitcoin or 1,000 Ripple. We need what? Institutional investors. And what are these guys doing? Bang. Bang. Bang, guys. Fuck, this shit's happening fast. Get all the crypto you can now. Build your warehouse, your crypto warehouse now. Get it funded. Get it full. Get it full. It's coming. It's flipping coming. I mean, look, guys, I'm not even playing games. I thought we were going to have that little party here December 31st, 2020. It might be December 31st, 2019. I might have to change the date on that because it's happening fast. Custodianship. Regulations are coming through. Bang. Big money is going to start feeling safe, and they're going to come. So, now, and look at what we talking about, the demand for cryptocurrency custodians. So, as reported by South China Morning Post on July 22nd, 2018, the Singapore-based Fusang Investment Office is planning to offer cryptocurrency holding services, bang, after clients expressed rising interest in digital asset investing. You see what I'm saying? The big money wants it. The big money wants in. They're not going to come in without the custodianship and the regulations. So what do you think they're doing? These rich people on Wall Street, wherever, they're telling these politicians all around the world, yo, look, buddy, you politician. I'm trying to tone down the swearing. Look, politician, get some regulation in and get some stuff safe for me because I'm trying to get into cryptocurrency, bro. That's what they're doing all around the world. Haven't we read it? South Korea, India. Now we're reading China. We already, we follow the American stuff. Bang, right? That's what these rich people, look. Shamari, man, why are you always worried about money? Why are you always worried about politicians? Look, politicians make the rules that control my life. No man controls me. But if a politician votes for some crap, well, I got to abide by that, right? You know what I mean? Now, who controls the politicians? The people with the money. So I follow the money. They control the politicians control me. Blah, blah, blah. It's a chain of command, right? That's why we look at it this way, guys. That's why we're so focused on these politicians and the money. So we know money wants in. What do you think they're doing? They're telling these politicians, yo, bro, and what's the story we just read? Bang. Coinbase is forming a political action committee. They're going right into Washington and going to slap a couple politicians around to flip and make them, write some proper laws and stuff for us. You know what I mean? Legislate. It's called legislating. You know, you're a legislator. Slap that bitch in the face and make him legislate some stuff for us. So that's what's going down, boys. And now, the demand for custodianship. Boom. We've been talking about this around here for a couple months. Let's read. As reported by South China Morning Post on July 28, 2018, the Singapore-based Fusang Investment Office, I'm so happy, is planning to offer cryptocurrency holding services after clients expect rising interest in the digital asset investment. That's right. The big money wants in. Big money wants in. Get your warehouse, your crypto warehouse right. Also, yes, just get your crypto warehouse right, boys. All top 10 stuff. Fill it with goods, because these rich motherfuckers are coming to get it. And boy, oh boy, it's going to be a good time. The service, aptly named Fusang Vault. The service, aptly named Fusang Vault, is expected to launch in Q4 of 2018 with an office in Hong Kong, a crypto-friendly financial hub situated in China, but with a distinctly different legal system from the mainland. Blah, blah, blah. We know that. China owns Hong Kong, but Hong Kong does have its own kind of little, well, not their own little, they have their own laws, but we know who runs it. In addition to storage facilities, the vault will provide audit services for its clients, noted the company's CEO, Henry Chong. Chong stated that digital assets are financially similar to bonds, a significant feature of the traditional markets. Besides acknowledging the increasing need of a trusted third-party service to cater towards the ever-increasing demand for investing in cryptocurrencies. Bang. So he's saying it. Well, he said it's like bonds. You know, bonds are, you buy a bond from your government and then you hold that, and then the government pays you back the money with the interest. I don't really know what he means by that, but whatever, buddy. As long as you're holding cryptos for rich people and they feel good, I'm good. That's all we care about. Whatever. Custodians setting their own legal frameworks. Now, institutional clients and hedge funds are increasingly seeking custodial options for cryptocurrencies, as existing exchange frameworks have repeatedly failed to provide high levels of asset security. Like I said, guys, if you have $50 billion, you're not putting your shit on Binance. That can get hacked. I mean, you're not allowed. You're not, here in America, you're not allowed. I don't know what it's like in every country. Whatever. But, like here in America, you're not allowed to do that. Like, I can't take your $1 billion and then buy stuff for you and then put it on Binance. Like, no. So they need what? What's our favorite word? What is our favorite word? Custodianship. How are we going to get rich? Custodianship. What are these rich people waiting for to bring in their money to us? Custodianship. And what are we reading right now? Custodianship, brothers. Custodianship. I know. That's how it goes down, brothers. We're waiting for the infrastructure to be built for the true rich people to come and bring us their money. Now, while we're waiting, I'm going to say it one more time. Build your crypto warehouse. Build it. Buy. buy, 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 buy. All of it. Top 10 stuff. I mean, buy brand name. Don't get into stupid little crap because it's only a penny. Because that's about all you're going to make out of it. But buy brand names and get your crypto warehouse nice. Because they have custodianship now. And boy, oh boy, they're on their way. I mean, we just saw, let's look at this again. Flipping, what was it? What? Bitcoin's at 7,700 today. Bang. It's going up. Look at these. These are all going up. Right? You got to buy now while it's low. See, as it's nice and red. I want it to be green. I know you do. But believe me, just buy all you can now. Because when they come, then you're going to enjoy the greenness. So get all you can now. All right? Like I said, I'm not here to shill. I don't tell you what to buy. I'm not going to fuck with you. Buy some shit. Buy. Every penny you can flip and afford right now before Wall Street and before these big whales get here. Now they have custodianship. Oh, they're feeling safe now. And we just read the story about Coinbase. Coinbase is going to offer, right? All right, whatever, the hedge fund. But what did we read about? Coinbase is going to offer what? Hold on. Where is that? Bang. Right? What are they offering? You want to buy and hodl? Prime broker. You want to trade? An exchange. Oh, you need some place to keep your money? Bang. Custody services. The rich are now going to come. So you got to get your money right now. Okay? You got to get your crypto warehouse built now. Okay? Every penny you can spare, give yourself a loan. If you have money in the bank and you have a savings account, loan yourself some money. The money you'd usually put in, pay yourself back later. Get your crypto warehouse right now. Build it. Build your crypto warehouse now. Because when they come, and they're coming, and we're reading it, man, they're going to be in a frenzy. They're rich. They don't care. I live in South Beach. People, they laugh. I had a $5,000 night, $10,000. They like to spend the money. They're going to buy all the crypto you have. All of it. They're going to want to take this whole market over. So build your crypto warehouse now. Okay, guys? Time's getting short. Before the big money gets in. And when the big money gets here, once they start buying, well, stuff's going to get more expensive. And they might price you out of some things. You know what I mean? So get things right so you can get your money off these folks. It's like I told you, this is a once-in-a-lifetime chance. It's us. For once, the working man, well, I don't work, but you guys are workers. The working man has the stuff that the rich man wants, right? Usually it's the rich man, then he sells you the Facebook, then he sells you the Microsoft. No. We're the ones, and we're going to be selling them our Ethereums, our Litecoins, our Bitcoins, our Moneros, and whatever you got. You know what I mean? We're the ones. So don't slip. This is a once-in-a-lifetime chance, boys. Once-in-a-lifetime lottery. And you know what's coming. It's not like you're guessing. No, we see they're doing it. They're begging for custodianship. So we're watching the rich people beg the politicians to make the regulations and to make it safe for them to come here and buy what we have right now. You already have it. You understand? You're going to be rich. Get more. You understand? That's how markets work. And this is a once-in-a-lifetime chance. The one time that the The regular guy has the stuff that the rich guy wants. All right, so let's get on. All right. So institutional clients, bang, what I'm talking about, those motherfuckers that are coming for our money, and hedge funds are increasingly seeking custodial options for cryptocurrencies. Right? That's what they want. I want to buy $50 billion worth of this stuff, but I want it to be safe. Right? They don't do it like us. They don't just keep it on a Ledger Nano. They're big. They have billions. They do their other thing. So options for cryptocurrencies as existing exchange frameworks have repeatedly failed to provide high levels of asset security. Exactly. They're not going to put their stuff on Binance if it's going to get hacked. I mean, they're not allowed anyway. You're not allowed if you're a hedge fund. Cryptocurrency businesses are ideating a move in this regard, with one of the world's largest digital assets exchanges, Coinbase, launching the custody service. Bang. What's our favorite word? Custodianship. We've said it a million times. Man, I'll say it again. I told you, if I ever get married, I'm literally going to tattoo the word custody on my wife's face so I'll love her forever, because it's what's going to make me rich. Custodianship. All right? In July 2018, the company is a member of the U.S. FINRA, and investors need to hold a minimum of $10 million in cryptocurrencies for using the custody. That's the level. Do you see what I'm saying? You have to have a minimum of $10 million just to use their custody service. Minimum. You know what I mean? It's not like, do you understand? That's the level of money. And what did we just look at? The whole market's only what? 200 billion. Or, all right, we rounded up, right? So it was 300 billion, my bad. Right? Minimum. That's the level. Minimum. The big money is coming, boys. Get your crypto warehouse ready. Get your crypto warehouse ready for when that money comes, because they're going to be here with a frenzy with their checkbooks open, and they're going to be buying from you. All right? Now, let's finish this up. All right. Meanwhile, Jolyn Elwood Russell, a partner of the law firm Simmons & Simmons, believe that investors are left to the terms and conditions laid down by private entities in the absence of a unified global framework, questioning in what capacity are the custodians holding the assets? Are they holding them as bailment, that is a trust, so the assets are outside the estate of the custodians on an insolvency? Whatever, buddy. I don't give a fuck about that. He added that a lot of legal issues remain unaccounted for in custodian documentation for cryptocurrencies. They're going to figure it out. The rich people are going to figure it out. They're going to figure it out. Don't worry about it. Bang. So, guys, as you know, I'm feeling nice. Boom. Let me give you a little picture of that. Boom. Let's get back here. Oh, so now. All right, guys. So, good news for today. What do we have? Bang. Coinbase gave a political action or started a political action committee. Oh my gosh. They're going right to the heart of Washington. And then they got the hedge fund money. And we saw that Hong Kong custodianship. A lot of rich people in Hong Kong. Now, now, guys, though, I noticed. Yes. Let's talk about us, though. Just the crew. Let's look at the crew. So, look. I noticed I have to get caught up. I noticed you've been rocking, you guys have been rocking the airdrops. All this weekend we've been rocking them. Let me give some shout outs. Damien, Talisa, bang, see you, brother. Take a stand against poverty, bang. Bob, the minister of airdrops, obviously. Thank you, sir. What do we got here? What's this shit? Oh, what'd you guys do? Verta coin puss. So I got to get caught up. I'm going to have to do that one. What else we got? Lydia. Hey, Lydia. Hang out with me and the boys in the comments. Right? Airdropper 2410. I see you, brother. You're a new guy. Bang. yo, stop dropping some comments, and I hope you're subscribed. If you're not subscribed to the YouTube, get there, brother. We should start doing some shit where if you're not subscribed, you're not going to get to know about our airdrops and stuff. That's mean. I'm just kidding. What do we got? Cointrepreneur. Nice, buddy. See you, brother. Bang. And we got Shishak Kumar. See you, brother. Oh, there's the name of that guy. Mikkel van Brinnen. Nice. See you, brother. I saw you airdropping all weekend. You're airdropping with us. And actually, I used your name for a couple of airdrops. So, bang. There's Jay Will, Justin Williams. Bang, bang, Ronkus. Yes, we're getting our money. Whoa, who's this guy? Goodness and mercy. Well, all right, buddy. That's a good philosophy. I like that. You know, we always have to have that. Some goodness and mercy in life helps. All right. Who else we got? Anyone else? 4Rev. Boom. Oh, that's just me. That was me catching up on all the airdrops you guys did. So, yeah, guys, we're doing a lot of good airdrops. And look, if you're new to this channel, I know I was talking a lot of crap today, but look, around here, me and my boys, we don't play games, okay? We buy and hold. We're building our crypto warehouse for when the big money gets here. Bang. But we're also hard forking. Holy. But we got this guy. His name's Bob. He's a little crazy, but he just keeps dropping these airdrops on us. And so we just grab those free coin. So we're active. This is the active community. You don't just sit here and listen to me talk. You got to also get the airdrops. You got to follow the comments. You got to get in the Twitter. And boom, boom, boom. You know, everyone will help you out. Bob will help you out. What's his name? Go to Bob844-11320. Follow him. He'll get you squared away. And you're going to get your money. And that's how we do around these parts. We're not fucking around these parts. Look, there's a bunch of money coming, guys. If you're new, you don't know. But there's a bunch of cash that's coming into this market. And look, you got to go get it. Sorry. You can't go get the money that's coming. You got to wait for that. But while we're waiting, sprinkles of airdrops. Just get coins dropped on you. Bob will give you that. I just told you his name, his Twitter. That was the Twitter handle. So go follow him on the Twitter. And then we get hard forks when they come. And then we talk about what we need to talk about. You know, when these politicians are going to give us our bread. We'll unleash those whales to give us our bread. Anyway, I know I'm talking a lot, man. I could just talk to you. I could talk for hours on this shit. I love talking about money. And so I have to stop, though, because I know you're probably getting bored and stuff. So, all right, guys. So that was Shamari. Well, I am Shamari. That was Shamari. I'm Shamari. And, you know, this is my favorite part of the day. I'm not even going to bullshit you. I even have some other shit to talk about, but I don't want to get into it today. Let's just see. But let me just tell you, if this trade war happens, there's some fucking shit I got to talk about. But bang, we made all these airdrops. Holy, you guys murdered it. Hold on, let's take one more last look. You guys are killing it, and you guys murder me. Every time I wake up, there's just more airdrops. So let's look again. Because I see Bob just did some right now. What's that shit he did? Medusa? What? I don't even know what he did. Oh, Medusa something? Coin Vino? I got to get that. I think I did this Delta chain already. Yeah, I did that one. So, guys, I got to get caught up, and I will be caught up. You know what I mean? I don't play games around these parts. I'm not fucking around these parts. Boom, add a Bob. And M. Evans, brother, I got you. Bang. I'm going to get you fucking all the referrals and add a Bob. Bang. You guys are my referral boys from now on. Give me your shit so I can do that. All right. So, well, that's, I guess, the show. I mean, I really would just sit here and talk to you, but I know you guys got to get the fuck home and with your wives and whatnots. So, This has been Shamari Clark. On duty. All the fucking time. Over and out.